gotta love auto steer, as we're getting down to this last pass right here on this. See it? It's just completely perfect. You can strike out a field, be perfect when you get to the end of it. Riding along here with Dennis Quant today, and he is enjoying his Sunday afternoon. Did you make it to church today? Okay. Don't tell anybody. Dennis did not make it to church today. Well, neither did I. I have to admit that. But Pastor Kilmer says it's okay when you're harvesting a crop that has to be taken off before it sprouts. You know, God doesn't want us to squander our offerings here. So, but we're going to calibrate his yield monitor, and hopefully we'll be able to see how things are yielding. Right now, yield monitor's saying about 115 to 120. I'm hoping that after we calibrate it, that it stays up that high. Moisture is reading around 15.7. And we've seen it down as low as probably in the low 14s. But, okay, we'll give you an update after we figure out how she was with the calibration. You know what? He might better just take that thing right on up to the road. Well, Steve's making short work of that. Nobody got hurt today. Yep. Didn't lose any wheat. Had the whole neighborhood out. And I think tomorrow, Denny should have a new combine. So everything turned out pretty good for what it could have been, I guess.